Yeah, g'day guys, Steve from Factory Restos Australia. Just started up the YouTube channel. So at the start it's all about this Falcon 500 utility, a GS Rally Pack utility, a V8, but certainly there's another project already sitting in the shed, so I think this is going to be a bit of a passion of mine from now on, so I decided to start up a formal YouTube channel. So we're going to start out with this Falcon utility and we're going to work our way through it, and then we'll jump onto a similar era of a mini moke, which is a Leyland mini moke, Californian, that I've got sitting in the shed, which I always loved, and I've got a couple other cars in the back of my head that we might end up restoring as well. So guys, come along with me. I'll never ask you to subscribe or give me a thumbs up, but certainly feel free to comment, and if you've got any advice, please advise me. I'm a carpenter by trade, so not a car restorer, a panel beater or a spray painter, but certainly I like to have a crack at most things. So come along with me guys, we'll see how we go with this one, and hopefully there'll be a few more projects to come. So hope to see you in the next stage.